Ever spent hours creating images, only to find them reposted online without credit? Or worse, used by others to make money while you get nothing? That's exactly why Photo Protect was built. Photo Protect is a powerful Windows desktop tool that lets you protect your images in bulk, instantly and automatically. No complex software, no Photoshop, no manual editing. Just drop your images, set your watermark, and let the tool do the rest. With Photo Protect, you can add text or logo watermarks across hundreds or even thousands of images in a single click. Everything is fully customizable. Control position, size, opacity, rotation, and style to match your brand perfectly. And the best part? It keeps your workflow fast. Thanks to its high-speed processing engine, Photo Protect handles large batches of images smoothly without slowing you down. You can process entire folders in seconds, not hours. Perfect for Etsy sellers protecting product photos, photographers securing their portfolio, and digital creators building a brand. Even better, you can save your watermark settings as templates and reuse them anytime. Set it once and protect your entire library forever. Photo Protect ensures your branding stays consistent, your work stays protected, and your time is never wasted again. No internet required, no subscriptions. Everything runs locally on your Windows PC. If you create content, you need protection. And with Photo Protect, protecting your work has never been this fast or this easy. Stop losing credit for your creations. Start protecting them in seconds. Photo Protect. Create once. Protect everywhere.